Got your 1/2-inch rebar up in there. It's held up by some bricks to keep it off the gravel so that it adds some strength to the concrete. And sounds like the concrete truck is here, so we are off and running. And here we go. Alright, so all the excitement's over, concrete's in. We're just going to set it up, let it set up a little bit so we can put a power trowel on it.
In about 20 minutes, we'll hit this side, we'll cross it with the float blades, and then we'll pop the float blades off and hit this with the finished blades.
Sounds like a plan. Concrete's pretty set up now. He's going over it with the finishing blades on the power trowel. He's got a bucket of water with him so that he can throw a little water on it every once in a while in case there's an area that needs a little extra something for the finish. That's how you do it right. So we took the forms off the concrete we poured yesterday. We got all the wood out. Bill's over there checking the heights, make sure everything's the way he wants it to be. And I wanted to show you this part here. This is going to be a metal building that's going to be used for storage and things like that. So it's going to get an apron that's going to follow around and build upon this what's already here. But you see that right there where there's aggregate there? Usually for a residential sidewalk or something like that, that whole area there would be filled in. I fill it up almost to the top to give the sidewalk a nice finished look, so it doesn't look like it's new. It looks like it's new and the project's been completed with some landscaping. Sometimes we put topsoil in there. Sometimes we put in, if there's gravel that's left over, that goes with the yard area, or if we got lucky and some of the grass that we had to pull out to put the sidewalk in, or whatever we've pulled out, is still alive and is still green, we can put it back in there and replant it, and then it looks nice and finished. There's a couple different ways you can finish concrete depending on what the application is going to be. This might be a little bit hard to see because it hasn't turned white yet, but when you're looking for a power trowel type of finish for interior concrete, this is exactly what you're looking for. The footprints are just us from walking around. When it turns white, you won't see those. It's just dust on top of the concrete. But you see how there's no marks in it? There's no trowel marks. There's a little bit of that, but you don't see any visible lines or anything like that. That's exactly what you're looking for this type of a finish on concrete. You don't want to see big swirlies in the concrete. That generally means that the power trowel work was not done well.